Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make healthy oats pumpkin muffins. This recipe has been inspired from the channel How to Cook Smarter. You should visit the channel, it has some amazing recipes. I'm going to first start by peeling and cutting some red pumpkin. I've taken about 300 grams of red pumpkin. I'm then going to add this in a vessel to which I'm going to put in some water and then boil the pumpkin to make it a puree. Now I'm just going to chop up some walnuts. This step is optional. If you like walnuts in your muffins, they would taste simply amazing. So do give it a try. Now I'm chopping up some dark chocolate. Again, this is optional. This is a very healthy recipe, as you will see in the next process. But the dark chocolate, which is also a healthy component, will give it a beautiful taste and texture. So though it's optional, I highly recommend you add some chocolate in it as well. To a bowl, I'm going to start by breaking 2 eggs and whisking this well. I take at least a minute to whisk this, so take your time with this. This is a fairly simple recipe. It actually all just goes into one bowl, so it's quick to make once you have your ingredients ready. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for taking the time out and visiting. Thank you for all the encouragement. It means a lot to me. Next, I'm going to add some full-fat yogurt. Now, this is a healthy substitute for butter, which we would have added in a muffin recipe. And I'm also going to add some maple syrup. Again, this replaces the sugar component. Ensure you add good quality maple syrup. That is quite imperative for this process. And I've added some vanilla essence. Now I'm going to add the pumpkin puree. To remind you, the process was me boiling some pumpkin in a bit of water and then just pureeing it with a hand blender. I'm going to add some baking soda and baking powder, followed by some pumpkin spice, and about 2 cups of oat flour. This is just quick rolled oats that we have at home. I've just ground it in a machine and made some oat flour out of it. You just need to give this a good mix. Don't over mix it, but don't under mix it either. Just ensure that all the ingredients are well incorporated. Now I'm going to add the chocolate. and the walnuts and give this a good mix. Do give this recipe a try, and if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button. It would mean a lot. And also do comment and let me know how the recipe turned out. Now I'm just adding about 100 grams of oats. This is the whole quick rolled oats. With an ice cream scoop, I'm just gonna start filling in the muffin trays. I use an ice cream scoop because it's just simpler, less messy, and you have equal quantities that go into each muffin liner. In a preheated oven of 170 degrees, I'm gonna bake this for around 20 to 25 minutes. Every oven is different, so do poke a toothpick in to check that no batter comes out. And there you go, absolutely delicious, stunning, healthy oats pumpkin muffins. Do give this a try, it is absolutely amazing. And you will love it. In case this is not very sweet at all, so if you want to increase the sweet component, you can always do by increasing the maple syrup quantity. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and do hit the notification bell icon to get notifications every time I upload a video. Happy eating.